Good afternoon. This is Varun, and our next topic under pair of linear equations in two variables is equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Well, students, in this section we shall discuss the solution of such pairs of equations which are not linear but can be reduced to linear by making some suitable substitutions. Now we explain this through some examples. Let us suppose we have a pair of equations. First equation is 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equals to 13, and second is 5 upon x minus 4 upon y equals to minus 2. One thing is clear, that it is not a linear equation. It is because the power of x is minus 1 and that of y is minus 1 in both the equations. And in linear equations, the power of x and y should be plus 1 only. We can solve this equation by substitution method. For that, we have to put 1 over x equals to a and 1 over y equals to b. By doing this, equation 1 will become 2a plus 3b equals to 13. And equation number 2 will become 5a minus 4b equals to minus 2. So we have expressed given equations as a pair of linear equations. Now we can use any methods to solve these equations. Here we solve it by elimination methods. We have eliminated a and the value of b becomes 3. The value of b equals to 3 should be put either in equation this or in equation this. That is how the value of a becomes 2. Now a equals to 2. Also we know that a equals to x, that we supposed in the very beginning. A equals to 2. A equals to 1 over x. So from here we can conclude that 1 over x equals to 2 or x equals to 1 upon 2. Similarly, we can solve for y, and the value of y becomes 1 over 3, which is our solution. Now let us do one more question based on the same concept. Here we have a pair of equations. First is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equals to 3 upon 4, and second is 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y equals to minus 1 upon 8. First of all, we will reduce these equations in linear equations. Then after, we will solve for x and y. For this, we have to do substitution. Put 1 upon 3x plus y equals to a and 1 upon 3x minus y equals to b. By doing this, equation 1 becomes a plus b equals to 3 upon 4. And equation number 2 becomes a upon 2 minus b upon 2 equals to minus 1 upon 8. Since we have replaced 1 upon 3x plus y by a, that is why only 1 upon 3x plus y should be replaced by a. Upon 2 will remain as it is. In the same way, 1 upon 3x minus y should be replaced by b, and upon 2 will remain as it is, equals to minus 1 upon 8. By taking LCM 2 and by cross multiplication, equation 2 will become a minus b equals to minus 1 upon 4. That is how we have reduced given equations as linear equations. This is 1, which will become this, and equation 2, which is this. Now we can solve equation 3 and equation 4 by any of the methods. Solving equation 3 and 4 by elimination method, we get the value of b equals to 1 over 2. b equals to 1 over 2 should be put either in equation number 3 or in equation number 4 to find the value of a. Put b equals to 1 upon 2 in equation number 3, we get a equals to 1 upon 4. Also we know that a equals to 1 upon 3x plus y and b equals to 1 upon 3x minus y that we supposed in the very beginning. From this we can conclude that 1 upon 3x plus y equals to 1 upon 4, which we have written like this, and 1 upon 3x minus y equals to 1 over 2 like this. Now these two equations can be written as 3x plus y equals to 4 and 3x minus y equals to 2. Again we have a pair of linear equation in two variables, that is in terms of x and y. Now we will solve these two equations by any of the methods, and that is how we can find the value of x and y. If we add these two equations, that is by elimination method, we see that 6x equals to 6, or the value of x becomes 1. This value of x equals to 1 should be put either in this equation or in this equation. That is how we can solve for y. If we put x equals to 1 in this equation, we get 3 into 1 plus y equals to 4. Then the value of y will become 1. That is our answer. So the solution of given pair of equations is x equals to 1 and y equals to 1.